Now you're recording. What'd you just do?
Well, we have this protective sheath on here, screws on like that onto to protect all these probes here, and we have distilled water, which is what you use after you get done testing that contaminated water. You want to make sure to rinse off your probes really good. And then you have to keep it on this this little protector here with a sponge that keeps it wet. That keeps your film that's on your dissolved oxygen monitor wet.
Okay.
And what we've got here is our sterile sample jar that's come from
straight
laboratory. Got vinyl gloves here. We're gonna grab a sample. You always want to rinse your sample jar at least 3 times. Make sure to dump it downstream where you're taking your sample.
And this will be sample 10-4D. The 10-4 is for the date, and then the D is the sequence. So we've gotten an A, B, and C, and this will be D, right beneath Zeb Mountain.
Yeah, we're at Granny Barnes Branch.
Granny Barnes Branch.
Granny Barnes Branch.
And what are the GIS coordinates of that, James?
36 degrees, 29.033 minutes. North, 84 degrees, 17.270 minutes west.
Okay, so what we have here, this is the sample we just took. These are the labels that we're putting on it, and this one has been labeled, it's going to be labeled 10-4D. These are the double carbon chain of custody forms that we use. So they will stay in the same person's custody until they go to FedEx, to the certified laboratories, and then we put it directly on ice. The sample will go directly on ice from when it's been minutes after it's been, actually seconds after it's been taken. So we label it. We also label the jar with a magic marker to make sure that the sterile jar is, like, in case a sticker falls off or something, double chain of custody to the ice box, and then the ice box will actually just wrap up, and you can see where we've done this before, and we UPS it directly to the laboratory, and it's an EPA certified laboratory.
It's like 840 specific conductivity. That's in microsiemens per centimeter. 546 milligrams per liter of total dissolved solids.
How's that compare to, like, say, that baseline stream we hit?
The baseline stream, the reference stream that we were at today, had a specific conductivity of 45 microsiemens per centimeter. Yeah. I mean,
and what does a high conductivity tell us?
High conductivity is, in mining country, is definitely just showing that there is dissolved minerals. There's heavy metals that have gotten into the water, you know, specifically from the mining itself.
And where are you at right now?
Right now we're on Lick Fork Road, around National Coal Corporation's Zeb Mountain mine. We're in Campbell County, and it's the 4th of October 2009.
And what kind of meter are you using?
I'm using a YSI digital water monitor. This is about near top of the line as you can get.
And who's that standing beside you taking notes?
That's Mr. Kane.
Mr. Kane, what's that little device in your hand?
It's a differentially corrected GPS reader. I'm taking the GPS location, and I'm also taking down all the information in the field, so we can submit this information to court to make these guys.
And we're gonna take, and you're gonna take a water sample?
We're going to send that to an analytical laboratory in Massachusetts. They're going to test it for dissolved minerals and metals like chromium and the other things that are being violated right now.
All right.